everybody, welcome back to my family taxi, and I'm going to show you how to make one of the popular street foods of India. It's called puffed rice masala in English, and in my language it's called Puri masala. This is a very healthy and popular snack all over India. If you go to the beach or a park, it's a must-try street food. Now I'm going to show you how exactly it's done. I have a bowl of puffed rice here. You can get it in any grocery stores. And I have a cup of Bombay mix. It's optional if you don't have them, but you can get it in any grocery stores. And I have some coriander leaves. I have chopped onion. And I have 1 chopped tomatoes. And I have a chaat masala. And I have 2 carrots chopped. And I have cucumber chopped. I have some ground pepper. And I have 1 chili because we like it spicy. It's purely optional. If you don't like the chilies, you can leave them out. And I have half lemon juice. And I have some salt to taste. So let's get on with the recipe. I'm just going to throw in the bowl of puffed rice. And I'm going to throw in the Bombay mix. Then comes the carrot. Then the cucumber. The onions. And the tomatoes. I'm going to throw in the ground pepper. Some chaat masala. And then the green chili. Next comes the salt. And the chopped coriander leaves. And finally comes the lemon juice. Now I'm going to give it a good mix. Now I'm going to taste one of my favorite snack. This is one of my favorite because it just brings memories of my childhood. We used to have it almost every single day. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe to My Family Taxi for more episodes. Bye.